that I met you, the world had just spit me out. On my way to the bottom, sure I'd never be found. Then you saw me for me, made me believe in myself. On the day that I met you, it all turned around. You said close your eyes, don't look down. Fall into me and I'll catch you, darling. We'll dance in the street like nobody's watching. It's just you and me, and the song will repeat in my head, playing over and over. I'm drunk on your voice, high on the moment. I thought for you twice. If that's what you wanted, I'd give you my life from now till forever. I'm falling in love with you over and over again. Until I had met you, there's no sun in my sky, no mirrors for monsters, and no love in sight. Then you walked down those stairs and I knew my heart wasn't mine. On the day that I met you, my whole world came alive. You said close your eyes, I got you now. Fall into me and I'll catch you, darling. We'll dance in the street like nobody's watching. It's just you and me, and the song will repeat in my head, playing over and over. I'm drunk on your voice, high on the moment. I fall for you twice. That's what you wanted, I'd give you my life from now till forever. I'm falling in love with you over and over again. I'm falling in love with you. I'm falling in love with you. I'm falling in love with you over and over. I'm falling in love with you over and over. Fall into me and I'll catch you, darling. Let's dance in the streets like nobody's watching. It's just you and me, and the song will repeat in my head, playing over and over again.
Guys, if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. If you did want to learn this step by step for your own choreography, you can go ahead and check out the link below. We'll send you the breakdown. Otherwise, this is also an example of a custom choreography where we created this specifically for 2 of our customers here. So if you want to do your own song, you can go ahead and follow the link below, see our package options, and see if it's right for you. Thanks so much. We'll see you very soon in the next one, guys. Bye.
You said close your eyes, don't look down. Fall into me and I'll catch you.